Yeah. Back. Pop. Run. Hey, stop. Don't make me tell you again. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Back in your pen. Now, think about what you've done. So, are we done today?